This is the most common mistake every beginner and a fresher animator makes while creating the walk cycle. If you watch this walk cycle, it might seem that it's fine, but it's not fine. The problem here is with the contact poses. If you see here, the time when the right leg is sliding, the left leg is immediately lifting from the ground. That should not happen. We cannot lift the other leg up before even the first leg is down on the ground. So make sure you have the grip on the ground and then you lift your other leg from the ground. That is how it works, and that is what we call as contact poses. So here immediately, instead of immediately lifting the leg, I will have the leg down on the ground for 2 or 3 frames so that I am having the contact pose. I will copy the same pose from first to fourth and I will add a foot roll. Now while adding a foot roll, this will happen. When you add only one key, because of the default cushioning from Maya, you will have this ease out here. You will have this ease in here while lifting the leg. So what you have to do is just hit a key 1 frame ahead for foot roll and adjust the spacing of the knee. Make it uniform spacing, and also you will make this leg go in 2 frames. You will hit a key and make sure it's on the ground and the foot roll is 0 within 2 frames itself, because you will not be adjusting the foot roll by coming here. Just 2 frames, you have the contact on the ground, and then after 1 frame your other leg lifts from the ground. Make sure that you do it for both the legs, and this is how you should be refining your walk cycle. I hope you like this video. Follow me for more such videos.